is a day that many of us have looked forward to for what seems like a long time. Through significant philanthropy and a lot of hard work, we are able to acknowledge the opening of the Northeast College Clock Plaza. The completion of this campus beautification project is something to be celebrated. Over the past several months, we have heard the sounds of construction in this space. If you're like me, you've not only heard the construction, but watched significant events in the construction process on the webcam pointed at the plaza and made available on our website. From tractor and excavator work to jackhammers to stone and masonry saws, we've heard many sounds of progress. To some, this has sounded a bit like music as we thought about what this represents: building, growing, and creating. Soon, these sounds will be replaced by other music. There will be chimes announcing the passage of time or playing stately melodies that beckon us to commencement or other significant events in the life of our college. Moments in the lives of our students and graduates that celebrate how far they have come and what lies ahead. This plaza will be an iconic feature of our campus where people will be able to meet, gather, and reflect. This place would not have been possible without the generosity, the sacrifice of 87 individuals and corporate donors to the Celebration of Time fundraiser. Ranging from $20,000 to $19.19, each donation was a sacrifice. The word sacrifice could bring to mind various meanings, but the one that I think fits best is giving up something good for something better. And we hope all who gave can feel that is what they did by supporting this project. Again, our heartfelt thanks. We look forward to the placement of our beautiful donor recognition wall listing each donor just inside the doors of the Paget building near the plaza. I wish to also thank several others whose contributions to this project were essential. Our plaza architects and engineers, QPK Design, the clock manufacturer, Electric Time Company, our general contractors, Ben and Chris Mittiga, the artisan stone masons of R.E. Kelly, our landscapers, Lakeview Landscaping, our facilities and IT staff, and many others. While the pandemic may have made us feel somewhat isolated, this project has certainly been something we have rallied around and that has brought us closer together. Since 1919, now for 102 years and counting, our college has been a bastion of learning and has become the alma mater to roughly 10,000 graduates. From its humble beginnings in a Manhattan brownstone to a busy but somewhat confining campus on Long Island to the spacious and beautiful campus we occupy today in the gorgeous Finger Lakes region, this college is now poised to move into a promising future of growth and collaboration and academic excellence, leadership, and professional best practices. It is an exciting time to be part of this great effort, 1919 onward. So, without further ado, I officially declare the Northeast College Clock Plaza open.